Packaging good. Why a lot of people think na I'm very timid. O naman na tayo. Okay, so today is a Tuesday and I'm going to campus kasi I will be submitting a lot of files for my internship para maging official na siya. Before I submit this, I have to pa-sign pa yung mga documents and then kailangan ko parang magpa-notary. Ayun, I also have to buy a paper clip. So anyway, I'm gonna fix my bag first. Usually talaga I bring the non-static tote bag to campus kasi mas madali siya talaga bitbitin kasi magkaan lang. But since I'm wearing an all black outfit, I'm gonna be using this bag. So laptop, I'm gonna bring a charger kasi kailangan ko pala mag-upload ng video mamaya and hindi ko pa siya tapos i-edit. Bring a few makeup products. So first is my powder, this brush from Sunny's Face, and then my blush. I'm actually wearing it today. Very natural. I'm bringing my notepad. I use this to keep track of all the things that I need to do for the day. I'm gonna put it here together with the stapler and some pens. Okay, I think I'm ready. I'm just gonna put my perfume and I'm gonna spray the Dalba spray. Kasi parang medyo dry yung skin ko today. Okay, so this is the full fit. Ta-da! Long day today, so I'll just see you guys in campus. So after filling out some forms, I submitted the documents now to the department and good thing I finished way earlier than I thought. Then I got lunch and I even managed to edit and I was actually listening to the official soundtrack of Beyond the Bar. I highly recommend that K-drama, guys. As in. I have my hot tea here. I heard it's good to drink teas in the morning kasi it helps with digestion. And at the same time, parang it calms me down. And I kinda need that for the day and for the rest of the week. Kasi medyo maraming events tayo for the upcoming days. And as someone who is an introvert, I try my best to at least dedicate like a few hours or few minutes to calm myself and really like prepare for the day. I am an introvert talaga, pero when it comes to events, shoots, or any social gatherings, nagiging extrovert ako and I tend to socialize more. Before ako mapunta sa state na yun, I really need my time. Yeah, do all the preparations that you think you need. So that is something that you can control. I meditate before I go out or kaya I put on makeup kasi actually makeup really helps. Parang nagkakaroon ako ng bagong persona kapag nakaayos ako. I think that's one of the reasons why a lot of people think na I'm very timid. But when it comes to events and like kailangan mag aura shoots, I feel like I'm in my different persona. Alam niyo yun, parang nagkakaroon ng shift. But to be honest, it takes me like a lot of time pag mapunta sa state na yun. I just wanna say na if you're an introvert like me and you find yourself struggling when it comes to socializing with other people or putting yourself out there, it's important to know that you don't need to fully change who you are. If you're an introvert, that doesn't mean na you can't be someone else. It's possible na you're an introvert pero you also do hosting, you're a musician or a content creator, you know. So yun lang naman ang realization ko this morning. Aga. As I was saying, meron niya akong shoot today with Animo Nation and it's gonna be in Batangas. I'm just gonna do my makeup and my hair. I guess I'll just see you guys sa shoot mismo. Peace out. the group shots now. We're almost done for the day.
You smiling, tapos sasabihin ko kung fierce or not, alright? Pause, look up, joke lang.
Kailangan ko mag-log in sa Google Meet. Pero hindi pa ako nakaayos kasi guys, as in kakagising ko lang. This was my hair from the event yesterday. I'm gonna do my makeup real quick kasi kailangan naka-on cam. This is like my emergency pouch if sobrang nagmamadali ako or like I just wanna look put together. Very natural but at the same time, it will make me look alive. As you can see, meron ako mga visible marks right now. So I'm gonna color correct with this Dalba Tone Up Sun Cream. I really love color correcting kasi it makes the biggest difference talaga kasi hindi ko na kailangan mag-foundation. Medyo may pink tint to. That really helps talaga with brightening your face. So, look at the difference compared to this. This is the consistency. It's very lightweight and I like using a stippling brush where I can build up the coverage. This is perfect for people na on the go kasi may sunscreen din to guys. Napat ako sa araw but can you guys see? Instant brightening talaga siya. I'm going to skip foundation and just conceal. I prefer spot concealing talaga when it comes to my everyday makeup. And blush on para color ang aking face. Ewan ko, sa Zoom kasi parang sobrang na-wash out yung face. Nagmumukha akong white lady. Use a cream blush if gusto nyo magmukhang natural yung blush on nyo. I'm gonna be setting everything with powder para lang hindi gumalaw. Kasi yung lashes ko from last night, nandito pa. So, powder na lang to bring back the glow. Dalba spray, you guys know. The holy grail. And when I say holy grail, hindi lang siya eme-eme. Actually, I was gonna use this as my moisturizer. Pero kasi pag-apply ko nito sun cream, okay na rin siya as moisturizer. So, hindi na ako nag-spray nito. Para lang bumalik yung glow kasi nag-powder ako. Even yung mga well-known makeup artists like si Jelly Eugenio, kahit yung mga K-pop idols, ginagamit to. It's really like a must-have sa makeup kit nyo or sa skincare regimen nyo. Yes, skincare siya kasi this has white truffle. It also helps with anti-aging and it really melts your makeup na parang it makes everything look so natural. Si Neil, yung makeup artist ko, before kami matapos magsispray siya nito and then setting spray. Sometimes ito lang if gusto talaga namin very glowy makeup. I don't know, pangilang bottle ko na to Dalba First Spray Serum Bottle. It's really the best. I know na medyo pricey siya compared sa ibang mga setting spray but I always see this on sale sa Shopee. Like mag-abang kayo, kunwari double digit sale, payday sale, i-add nyo na lang to sa cart nyo tapos balikan nyo. Kasi lagi siya sale as in. Anyway, ang dami nag-review pa. So, yun yung laman ng emergency makeup kit ko. Mukha naman na tayo naligo. So, you guys wanna see it sa natural lighting. Using the phone right now para you guys can see the actual skin. Can you guys see the glow? We love it. Actually, mag-spray pa ako ng isang round na to. Kasi ang bango niya eh. Okay, bye na talaga guys. See you later. Just finished a meeting with the team. I decided to rearrange my desk area. You guys want a quick tour? My iPad's gonna be here. Kasi nagiging problem ko, when I do work, ang dami kong nakikita ditong makulay. Since nandito na sila lahat, I can cover it. And look, it looks clean now. You guys want a quick desk tour? Let's do a quick desk tour. I have the iMac here. I mainly use for music or docs. I don't really edit here. I have my Rubik's Cube here. I have some of my perfumes. Yung hair serum ng Dalba. Basta I have like random. I also have lip gloss here. And more perfumes. So yeah, that's the quick desk tour. I'm wearing our PN merch today. Na-miss ko to suotin. It has our logo here. And sa likod, let's unbox some packages kasi I'm bored right now. So, this is from Beyond the Vines. Sana hindi ko na makat to, guys. Kasi remember last time, gumamit ako ng cutter. Comment below kung saang video siya. But I'm being more careful this time. See? Wala na ako nakat. I'm hearing something. Rinig niyo yun, guys. Oh, it's so cute! Pocket mirror. Oh! Oh, iba na yung material nila. Oh my gosh! Go Lasal! Wow! This is so nice. Yes, longer straps. Oh! I like this muted green color. And it's shiny. Alright, next package is from Issy. Oh! I feel like I have an idea kung ano to. Oh my gosh! They sent me stickers. Props talaga sa graphic artists, marketing team ng Issy. You guys are like killing it with the packaging and the concept. I'm gonna change my angle. This is better. Oh my god. I'm not gonna open everything kasi ang dami nito, guys, but oh my gosh, look at this. Look at the packaging, guys. I'm so happy that they sent me their contours and bronzers kasi wala na akong cream contour. Dami nilang pinadala, guys. They even have highlighters. And this is $449. Next is a package from Bash Manila. Yung brand ni Miss Bea Alonzo. I believe they are releasing a new collection. It's called Aftergloss. Mini bag. I mean, like, actual bag nito. A backpack. And a luggage na ganitong color. Oh my gosh, I kinda want one kasi you guys see my luggage there. That's from Bash also. I also got this PR from Mersey. Daming laman nito, guys, kasi they released a new product also. I remember nung nasa old house pa kami, they would send a lot of products talaga. Kasi sila sa mga brands na naglalagay ng expiration date sa product. And I really appreciate that kasi that is something na hindi lahat ng brands. Oh my god. Hindi lahat ng brands ganun. Sometimes they would just put it sa box and kapag sa box kasi tinatapon natin yun, right? But if nasa product siya mismo, like this, ang tagal na nito sa akin, guys. But I still use this. Expiration date kasi nito, it's 2026 pa. But they have a new collection now. Lip and cheek earrings. So, pwede mo siya ihang. Oh my gosh. So, it's gonna look something like this. Anik-anik talaga. And they have their blur tints as well. Oh! That's so pigmented. Para siya yung nausong peri-pera na ink velvet. It's like that. I think this is just $299. So, mas mura siya kasi sa peri-pera. But, it gives you the same blur finish. Gusto ko yung kakalinis ko lang ng table ko pero wala na, nagulo na ulit siya. Last package na muna for today. We have this one from Tapies. This is so cool kasi it's a yearbook. Tapies Class of 2025. Hello! Thank you so much, Tapies. That's going to be it for the PR haul for now. And I'll just see you guys to the next clip.
굉장히 좀 고생을 했던 기억이 있습니다.
어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.